Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve if x plus y equal 40, xy equal 80, then what is the value of x and y? So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm considered this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So with the help of equation number 1, I can write this x plus y equal 40 as y equal 40 minus x and consider this as equation number 3. Let's put the value of equation number 3 in equation number 2. So our equation number 2 is xy equal 80. So in place of y, I can write 40 minus x equal 80. So it becomes 40x minus x square equal 80. So minus x square plus 40x minus 80 equals 0. Now here A is equals to 1, B is equals to 40 and C is equals to minus 80, A is equals to minus 1. So now we are going to use quadratic formula, that is minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC by 2A. So x equal minus 40 plus minus under root 40 square minus 4 times minus 1 times minus 80 by 2 times minus 1. So x equal minus 40 plus minus under root 40 square is 1600. 4 times 1 times 80 is 320, but with negative sign. Here in denominator it's negative 2. So x equal negative 40 plus minus under root 1600 minus 320 is 1280 by negative 2. So this x equal minus 40 plus minus, if we do the prime factorization of 1280, this gives 640, then 320, then 160. If we divide it by 2 again, it's 80. If we divide it by 2 again, it's 40. If we divide it by 2 again, it's 20. If we divide it by 2 again, 10, and then 5. 5 is a prime number. So we can write it as under square root 2 power 8 times 5 by minus 2. So x equal minus 40 plus minus under root 2 power 8 times under root 5 by minus 2. So x equal minus 40 plus minus, this becomes 2 power 4 times root 5 by negative 2. So x equal minus 40 by minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 power 4 by root by minus 2. So x equal, this negative will cancel out from numerator and denominator and gives 20 plus minus, this becomes 2 power 4 is 8, and but in denominator it's negative 2 also, so it becomes 2 power 3. So that is 8 root 5. So this is the value of x. Now as for equation number 3, y is equals to 40 minus x. So x1 is 20 plus 8 root 5 and x2 equal 20 minus 8 root 5. Now y equal 40 minus 20 plus 8 root 5. So y equal 40 minus 20 minus 8 root 5. Y equal 20 minus 8 root 5. Here x2 equal y 40 minus x, y equal 40 minus 20 minus 8 root 5, y equal 40 minus 20 plus 8 root 5. So y equal 20 plus 8 root 5. So what is the value of x and y? If x is 20 plus 8 root 5, then y is 20 minus 8 root 5. If x is 20 minus 8 root 5, then y is 20 plus 8 root 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next